smoked haddock, a Clarence Court egg, a pure English dish from an Irishman. I do not like putting my haddock into milk and water. I like putting it into butter, a lovely butter emulsion, which we use each day. And then what's left of the butter emulsion we always use for the base of our fish pies here in Bentley's. So it's full of smoked haddock flavor. So we just put that in. It needs 2.5 minutes exactly to cook it. And if it's slightly under, I take that as a great compliment. And these are leeks from our garden at VP Lodge. So we just let that simmer really, really slowly. You don't want it to boil, just leave it at the side. The little secret to this dish is my eggs. Clarence Court's very best. I dropped them in there with the smoked haddock. They've been boiled and peeled for exactly 8 minutes. And I just dropped them into that butter emulsion. I mean, what a great supper. You can be having a conversation with someone and it's simmering on the side. Lovely. Salt. Be very careful how much salt you put into this dish, because haddock is naturally smoked and salted. So, you know, just think about that little egg at the moment. So beautiful, so happy. Altogether, the haddock is in there, and it should be slightly just undercooked. And that's the simple secret of this dish, is just getting the time in so right. And then just plating. You need to just take a tiny bit of mashed potato, smoked haddock. I mean, this is an assembly job. It's not even cooking. And these are leeks from our garden. And the real key is the egg and the grater. And you take the Clarence Court egg and you just put it on top. Done. Little bit of chive. You could just do kind of poached leeks, right in season right now. In the summertime, asparagus, and then a little Perrigo truff, just to make sure, and a little bit of molten salt. Just that utter sense of luxury this time of the year. A pure English dish from an Irishman.